Ever heard of Keto Fitness Challenges? Perfectly synergizing diet and exercise, they are the ultimate way to enhance your fitness journey. First up, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This anaerobic workout pairs perfectly with a keto diet, as it taps into stored fats for energy. Just remember, always keep it short and intense. Next, strength training. It's a myth that you can't build muscle on keto. Combine low reps of heavy weights with plenty of rest in between to see results. And finally, mindful yoga. Keto isn't just about physical strength, it's also about mental clarity. Yoga enhances cognitive benefits of a keto diet, helping you stay focused and balanced. So, ready to take on a keto fitness challenge? Remember, it's not just about the destination, but the journey. Embrace the synergy of diet and exercise, and watch the transformation unfold. Now, before we go, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fitness buddies, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness challenges and tips. Your support means the world to us.